Yeah. Part 13 on Brad's Ultra XTR. I went back and counted this time, so I know what number we're actually on. Alright, we left you off with that super leaky O-ring on the water pump. We're going to pull the motor, get the water pump off today. Yeah, right after we filled it up with the special oil, but we got most of a quart left of that. And the other good thing is, I'll show you a little bit, we noticed we left the torque bumper off of the chassis. So when we got the motor out, we'll put the torque bumper back on. I'm not even sure where it is. Probably, I'm betting it's in this random Coors bag full of parts. And then we're just going to keep on working. So we'll see how far we get today.
We're going to clean the carbs.
We're going to clean the carbs. Maybe Lonnie might come back and clean them for us. We'll see. Alright, there's the torque bumper. And I did kind of a little test fit here. And it just gets in there. So we're actually going to have to take the nut off. I think this is another one of those things that it's because we're putting a big block in a monoblock chassis. I don't have any other explanation. But we'll take the nut off and hopefully we'll still be able to get the motor in there. Yeah, that'll do it. Alright, we dug through 4 O-ring assortments, and I want to tell you something. If you got this blue and red assortment, one says English and one says metric, they're not. Look at the list of O-rings there. They come with the exact same O-rings. But anyways, we dug through, we found an O-ring that we think is going to work. It's got some room on there, it's tight, it protrudes a little, and there's a little discussion about O-rings in the comments on the last video. So this is what I use. It's just dielectric grease. It's just silicone grease, and that's what fancy O-ring grease is too. You know, if you're doing some precision, you know, super medical thing, get the right stuff for $100 a tube. But otherwise, for the rest of us, this $5 a tube dielectric will work just fine when we put this on. So here, Dennis, you want to give her a smear and see if we'll get the pump on or not? Of course, all of our oil came back out, so we'll have to refill that. That's more than enough. It's just got to be wet. There we go. Hopefully we'll get this solved right now, get it on, not tear the O-ring. Yep, just like that. I'm going to get this rag out of there.
Thank you.
She's done dripping. How's that feel?
It pushed some dielectric grease.
Did it tear the O-ring?
Should we pull it off and check?
Yeah, pull it off. See if the O-ring's still intact.
Well, it's got it suctioned down there.
Well, let's just leave it then.
Let's leave it, yeah.
Let's leave it, and
more grease. Yeah.
A lot more oil came out. Yeah. All right.
Yeah, I don't see it, so it's in there.
Didn't tear. Pushed on about right. It looked right. So we're gonna go with it. We're gonna bolt this thing back down. Get the gears to mesh, so we'll have to turn the motor over. See, we still got a gap here.
Yeah, we're not.
So we're going to have to turn the motor over and mesh the gears. We'll do that off camera. We'll get her bolted down. Life will be good. No, that's tightening.
Yeah.
All right, we're pulling out this drain plug on the bottom because even though we dumped a bunch of oil out, oh, look at how helpful Farley is, giving Dennis some kisses. So even though we dumped a bunch of oil out, it still says that it's full. So something's weird there, but we figure if we dump this out, tilt the motor over, and drain it all out, well, then we'll just start over with 50 milliliters again, like Tim said to do. Yep, tilt her at it. Oh, look at that. There was hardly any, even though it said it was really full. You can see the line. I don't know if it's going to show up on the video. All right, that's what we're doing. Dumping her, refilling with the right amount. It'll be fine. Pressure checking her. Still a big leak, but we think this time it's a totally different spot. Yeah, no clamp there. No clamp. All right, we got to shorten that hose up an inch anyways. I'm a happy man. Not just because I like that motion, but because this thing's holding like 14, I don't know, 7 pounds. I don't know. We'll go to 14. All right, show the dial. She's holding plenty of pressure.
Oh yeah.
All right, folks, well, that's why we pressure check them here at Nutter Speed Shop. Would have sucked to have coolant in and found that problem and then found the other problem, and a lot easier with one of these.
She's coming into the shop.
Second beer crack. No, it's not the end of the video. Lonnie just got here.
We got the band back together.
Lonnie just got here and right away he grabbed the marker. He's going to add something to the list.
We don't even know what it is.
We're not.
New track. Oh, here we go. Okay.
What's it gonna be, Farley?
Speedo cable.
Is that for your XLT?
Lonnie's XLT. Yes, sir.
All right, that's a minor one. We'll tack that on with the shocks or something.
Yeah. We'll just throw it in. We'll
All
throw
right.
it in with one of these up here.
We could also add.
It's not that I need to know how fast I'm going. It's that I
Just like to know.
I'd like to know how many miles I'm putting on.
Oh, yeah.
It's easier to gauge your gas mileage.
I don't know what you were thinking, Dennis. I thought Lonnie was adding a whole new sled on
I
there.
thought he was adding. You guys don't know what I bought.
Guess what I got?
Well, we'll see what comes home after next weekend.
Well, then there's that.
Trailer's empty right now.
Yeah,
Holy
trailer's
cow.
empty. Bringing an empty trailer to
Uh-oh.
Princeton. Uh-oh.
That does not bode well.
What kind of snowmobile carburetor is that, Lonnie?
It's for a two-wheel snowmobile.
Ah,
No, that's my keying off of my my 05 Heritage Softail Classic. Gonna try to get Smokey back up and running again, and so I stripped off the carb, pulled everything down, ran it through the ultrasonic. So just like we're gonna do with those.
nice.
Yeah, looks good. Thank you, sir.
Yep. These, on the other hand, well, they're going to look good when we're done with them.
Yeah, exactly.
In case you're wondering if we were serious about getting after the list, yep, this is really the next one we're working on, and yep, it's really in the shop.
It's here. It still doesn't start.
And the fact that it was in the trailer I'm bringing to Princeton had nothing to do with it getting moved into the shop. I just want to show how disgustingly filthy these carbs were. And we were driving this thing around.
Yeah, that's unbelievable.
This was a running driving sled with that level of crap in the carbs. Wowza.
Yeah.
All right, what'd you find now, Lonnie?
Oh my goodness, we're having. I think I hit gold.
Is it gold?
Yeah, I think there might be gold in there. What do you think?
Holy crap.
Should we?
That was actually in that carb?
It's in that.
That's an ounce and a half.
We're gonna make money.
Paid for
We're
the
in
sled.
the money. We're in the money.
I'm sorry to tell you, but that's actually brass.
I know.
No, I
But
think actually what that is dried up ethanol and algae.
that
When
would
it
be.
was sink.
Yup. Wow.
Did this thing sink in a lake,
this-
Brad?
We don't know that, but it kind of matches.
But it kind
It does look like algae in there, but that's what ethanol, dried up, corroded ethanol looks like too.
Good night.
Yeah. All right. Good thing we're cleaning these carbs.
You think?
Yeah.
Give it a
Yeah. Ready?
problem gone.
I turned around and holy cow, the guys are doing the recoil rope without me. I didn't think I taught them that. I didn't want to reveal all my secrets.
Too late.
Now they know how to do recoil ropes?
No.
Don't let that spring fly.
Well, hurry up with the rope.
All right, here's the rope. Feed it back in. You need the dental pick then,
I'm
remember?
actually wondering if I can do another wind. I can't.
All right, I'm gonna turn off the camera, I'll help.
Alright.
Whole bunch of activity over here. Guys are putting new fuel lines on. You see they got it on with the clamps. Let's see, can we even see that? We got so much stuff in the way. But we got the clamps. Whole bag of clamps. Yep. And if you need the link to the clamps, just look in the description. We're going shopping.
We're going shopping. Oh my God! We gotta have
We're going into the jungle.
We need a sickle.
Let's see.
Farley's coming.
All the hoses. This was what the Ultra came in. I think we took all the hoses off this. Yeah. Oh, we do have a piece we got to take off it though since we're out here. That exit for the pipe.
Yeah, we'll need that.
We'll need that. We'll come back.
Okay.
All right. Let's go around the long way. Look at this. Perfect. Coming over, Dennis.
What did you find?
Right here. Why is there hams can? Oh, that's a Pepsi.
Oh, wait. Make it longer. We might be able to go. Oh, you can't make it longer.
No. Oh shit. That looks like 5/8 though, don't it?
No.
It's the same.
How about this?
No, look,
Is this 1 inch?
No, this is what we need.
It's the same.
Oh. Well, we definitely got that hose barb.
Yeah.
All right. The junkyard will provide.
Always.
Now that hose moves.
Well, we can come in front of it and just do a 90. It's not enough room for a bar.
What do you mean? You can go up as tall as it needs to.
What's the manual say?
Bring hooks through, Dennis.
Fit in the pipes. All right, we fit. Pipes fit.
They will clear.
No way. Well, then why was that Indy 500 tunnel so melted up and garbage?
Because there was low compression, dirty carbs.
It didn't make the tunnel melt. These pipes do fit pretty good. And the rest of the CDI plugs are plugged in, and we don't have any spark. That's why the lights are dim. There's nothing. There's no spark at all.
Sparky spark.
Something's not right. No, that doesn't matter.
Turn to it.
Third ground going to. So there's that. There's that.
Yes.
We got these. This is grounded. Oh, these aren't
Ooh.
grounded. Well, this is supposed to be grounded right here to something.
To something here.
This and this all need a ground, and they are not grounded. So that would make it not spark.
Where does that ground from?
Well, what was on this?
I don't know.
Something like this. A bracket.
We never took these off.
We're gonna have to go back and look at the old videos.
Well, at least the garbage was finally clean.
It's a good thing we took some videos. Then we got something to go back and look at. Alright, my stupidity. We shouldn't have put one ground here, one ground here, one ground here, and one to the coils. Because
No, you got spark.
now we got spark, and we got spark on all three.
Do that good.
Life's good. Are we filming?
Back to another speed shop. This
Alright,
hermaphrodite is ready to roll.
we're just gonna pop it. So we don't. The only thing that's hooked up right now is the oil injection line with some oil in it, and it's zip tied wide open. We don't have the throttles hooked up. We don't have anything else hooked up. We don't even have a clutch on it. We got the pipes on.
Sort of.
We just want to hear it run.
And so do you.
So
You're a
What are
pro.
you spraying in there?
premix, 2-stroke, 40 to 1. You want to do the honors, Lonnie?
Nope.
Lonnie,
That's
pull
fine.
it. I got the kill switch. Even though
The
it's
kill switch doesn't work. We got it disconnected. You guys ready?
Oh,
Oh, yes.
Farley's ready.
Must need more gas.
She is a big block.
Or it's flooded and we don't have the throttle hooked up to the flipper.
Is the key
Lonnie,
on?
you want to pull the throttle?
Boom!
One more time for the folks at home.
All right. I think it might be flooded. You gonna hold her, Lonnie?
Yeah.
Now it's not flooded.
Let's squirt it down the tubes.
No, we don't want it to run that long.
Why not?
Especially, we don't have a clutch on this thing.
Well, it ain't gonna go nowhere.
Oh, that's true.
Farley, you can race it next weekend.
All right, you ready, Lonnie?
Yep.
Jeez,
Holy goosebumps.
they sure rev fast when there's no clutch on them.
Hells yeah.
Farley!
Yeah.
High five,
buddy.
Dennis.
Yep.
Woo!
Nicely done.
All right, now I don't even know where my beer is. I lost my beer for the 88th time tonight. I keep putting it in the same spot.
Ah,
Smells like old
smells good in
the
here.
smell
Does
of
it?
two-cycle.
Does it smell like we're only
Old
Monday,
Spice.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 4 days away from the Princeton swap? Because
Yeah.
that's how it smells to me.
Folks at home,
I like it.
it's available.
No.
No. You in there?
Big pull for that one.
Yup.
Yeah, we didn't ride it tonight, but it ran.
Yep.
It runs.
The
It
sled's
runs.
been apart for months. It's been apart since the end of the season, and now it runs. And it definitely hit on all three. She revved to the moon.
She's a little snorty.
We, we did the pressure tests earlier today. The cooling system's all sealed up. We got some work to do on those pipes, or unless Brad can find another set of SLP pipes for a Wedge Hood Ultra. These pipes are pretty rough.
If you're at Princeton,
Yep, if you're at
Anywhere
Princeton
else?
on Friday, Brad should be there. We'll all be there.
Yep.
you got a set of pipes, let us know.
We'll have stickers with us. We're accepting canned good donations.
Always.
Bottles also.
Bottled goods as well. Those bottles of,
You know.
what'd the guy say in the comments? Chain case oil with the green label.
Yes, sir.
That was a
Yup.
great one. Thank you, sir.
Dog treats.
Dog treats, well, yeah.
Tennis balls, obviously.
Yeah, Farley
Miss
likes
Farley. Miss Farley.
Farley's got 300 tennis balls. We don't have to get more of those. But, yeah, things went good. Brad, you want to show them the O-ring again?
Yeah. What happened? What
Brad
happened
just,
there?
after it ran, Brad just noticed this.
It's kind of like a broken condom. With a lot of leaks.
Yeah, there's some badness there.
Yeah.
So,
I don't think that's gonna seal.
that was my bad, probably. I probably
Well,
jammed that water pump on.
We were both there. It was,
Yeah.
I think it was the pressure in the sitting.
So it's all good, and you guys saw that we got to get this thing done because we got Dennis's sled in here. If we don't get this sled done, we're going to lose the shop. No, just kidding. I own
Just
the
kidding.
shop. We can't lose it. The shop is my house.
Cheers.
That's the end of the episode. Another
Yeah,
episode.
that's about it.
Carbs are cleaned.
Thanks to the patrons, Aaron and Michael. And we'll see you at Princeton on Thursday night or Friday. We'll be there all day.
Sounds good. See ya.
Holy shit.